but that train keeps a-rollin' on down to San Antone. Hello, Stephen Selman here, Brooklyn Music Factory. You are in the adult group guitar class. This is a class we ran at the factory for about a year. It was a big success and I'm super happy to be bringing it to you right now. So we are going to start off with a classic Folsom Prison Blues, Johnny Cash. There's a PDF. You should have that ideally printed out or open on some device near you while you're watching this video, so you can reference the PDF and the video as we go. So here we go. First things first, chords. By the way, first things first, there's another video on getting yourself set up. There's an app you should download for tuning if you don't already have a tuner. There's a couple other tools that are going to help you practice. I cover that in another video. Do pause this and check that out if you're like, whoa, wait a second, I haven't even tuned my guitar and have no idea how. That's covered in the other video. Here we go. Folsom Prison Blues, Johnny Cash. First chord, one finger. Let's talk fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your first finger, first fret, G string, and you're strumming the top 3 strings. That's your E chord. So if you're looking at the chord chart at the top of the page, you'll see the dot with the number 1 in it. The numbers inside the dots, those are your finger numbers. First finger, first fret, G string. Look above. If you see an X, don't play that string. If you see a 0, that's an open string. Go ahead and strum that string. There's your E chord. That already gets you halfway through the first verse. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hear that train a-comin'. It's coming round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. And that takes us to our next chord, the A chord. 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3. All on the second fret, D string, G string, B string. Whew. Take a minute here. You're going to strum from the A string down. That's a nice chord. A chord. Pause the video here. Make sure you've got your E chord and your A chord together. And here's how you're going to practice that. This game called Tap Your Knee. It's brilliant. It really helps you get these chords in your muscle memory super fast. So you're going to strum your first chord, E. Say you're just working on your E chord. Strum on beat 1. Tap your knee with that same hand on beat number 2. And you have beats 3 and 4 to get back to your chord. This is where your metronome is going to come in handy. Again, see that other video. Check it out. 1, 2, ready, go. E, tap your knee. 3, 4. E, tap your knee. 3, 4. You're just getting that muscle memory going. And then when you're ready, you're going to switch between 2 chords. Here's your E to your A. E, tap your knee. 3, 4, A, tap your knee, 3, back to E. You're just working on getting between those 2 chords. You might be spending the next like 20 minutes doing that. So pause the video here, see if you can get super comfortable going E to A. I'll give you a second. Awesome. So you've mastered the E and the A chord. Here we go. We're going to take the first 2 lines of Folsom Prison. So the E and the A and back to the E. 1, 2, ready, go. I hear that train a-comin'. It's coming round the bend. And I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. And I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. And time keeps dragging on. So this takes us to our strumming pattern and what you see a little bit further down the page. You're going to see two things. One is the strumming pattern and the other is the chord words. Let's talk strumming pattern first. I'm keeping it very simple. I'm just doing one strum on beat number 1. So if you're following in that grid, you'll see E, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4, on and on. You just follow, read it left to right. The other thing you're looking at is the chord words, and this is tying the lyrics to the harmony, to the chords that you're playing. So you'll see the bold word and the chord just above it. I hear that train a-comin', it's coming round the bend. Sometimes a chord happens not right on the word. You'll see an empty space there for that. So those are two different ways that you can get this into your head and into your hands. The chord words and the chart. Last chord, B7. 2 fingers. 2nd fret G string, 2nd fret E string, and you're really just aiming for the top 3 strings on this one. It gets a little weird if you start strumming all 6 strings for these. That's getting super jazzy. This is Johnny Cash, it is not jazz. So here we go. Just these 3. That train keeps a-rollin' on down to San Antone. Definitely pause here. Make sure you've got E, A, B7. Do your tap your knee, play along with the metronome, take your time. When you've got E, A, and B7, come back and we're going to play the entire first verse of Folsom Prison. Push pause. We'll be right back. Great. E, A, B7. You're good to go. Nice job. Whew. Here we go. We're going to take it slow. We're going to play the whole first verse. I'm going to count us in. Get ready on your E chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. I hear that train a-comin', it's coming round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on. 1, 2, 3. But that train keeps a-rollin' on down to San Antone. God, I wish I could hit that low note. Okay. Great. You have everything you need now to go all the way through the song and sing the whole thing. Got it? Those are your easier chords. This is your first time picking up the guitar. Nothing's easy. But those are your simpler chords. Get that first, and then come back when you're ready for the more advanced version. All right? So we're going to have a separate section that's going to be just a little bit more advanced. Throwing in one bonus chord too. Good luck. Have so much fun. Remember to give yourself lots of breaks. If you're a first-time guitar player, yeah, your hand's going to get a little sore early on. Play for shorter amount of times more frequently, and your hands will get tough. If you overdo it right away, it's bad news. So just keep coming back to it. And if you need a break, just work on singing. That's a whole other part of this, is see if we can get the vocals and the guitar happening at the same time. Have fun, come back for the advanced when you're ready.